We're going to fix a couple more bugs and then we're probably going to move on. Let me get rid of AI. And I'm going to create a temporary wall so that you can climb to the top. Okay, and I want to make sure that it's a separate wall. Make sure it's under a different parent. Temp wall. Okay. So we've prevented the case where the wall slide gets triggered on a platform, but we still have a major issue where, gotta wait for the camera, still have a major issue where you start the wall slide, that's fine. That's another bug, I'll deal with this later. I think the walls are too close. But anyways, you start the wall slide and you don't start falling where the wall ends. Let me make this higher so that we can see it better. Okay, you still fall like the elevator from this part. We just need another indexer to check for the end of the wall. So I'm going to go into code. Transition indexer, and I want to create another indexer where you're not blocked by a wall. Let me reorder some of the cases. Not grabbing ledge. Under grabbing ledge. Blocked by wall, not blocked by wall. So we're now looking for a case where all of the objects are overlapping with all of the front spheres. I'll create a temporary bool. All is overlapping. Start out as true. And in the case where any one of them is false, all is overlapping becomes false. And we only return false when all is true, when they're all overlapping. And I think we have to edit another function here. So when the condition type is blocked by wall or not blocked by wall, we start checking the front detectors for the overlaps. I'm going to go back to Unity, go into the wall slide folder, wall slide. I'm going to create a third indexer. Player wall slide to fall indexer number 3. So index is 3, and the only condition is that you're not blocked by a wall. And we're going to go into the animator. So from the slide, we're going to go into the fall. edit the graph. Okay, and transition equals 3, that's the condition. And we're going to add the ability to the wall slide. So now if I play, I'm just going to let the player fall, and wherever the wall ends, we start falling. Okay. Now for the second bug in this video. Let's say we keep the momentum going forward like this, but as soon as I hit the wall, I'm going to press the other direction. Just saw it right there. If I bring the wall back, basically you're triggering the wall slide by pressing the other direction, which gives you this funny result where you're wall sliding and your body's not facing the correct path, the correct direction. If I look at the indexer again, from the fall, for example, the indexer that goes into the wall slide, one of the conditions is move forward. This basically means any direction, no matter where the wall is. So we want to change that. We want to add another indexer, moving to blocking OBJ. So now the direction matters when you're pressing forward. I should organize this later on, but not in this video. So you want to check whether you're moving away from the wall or into the wall. So we want to take a look at the blocking OBJ. If the blocking OBJ is null, there's no wall. And we want to get the direction from the character to the blocking OBJ. So we get the position of the OBJ minus the position of the player. And if the direction Z is positive, you should be going to the right side. So if you don't press right, you don't meet the condition. The other case where you should be pressing left, but you don't press it, again, you don't meet the condition. So I'm going to go back, and for every indexer where you're going into the wall slide, instead of just move forward, you want to be moving to the blocking OBJ. So replace all those conditions. Okay, so I'm going to click play. So just like last time, I'm going to press the other way, and you see that the wall slide, when you press the wrong direction, it doesn't get triggered. So for the right wall, you have to press right. For the left wall, you have to press left. And that is relative to where you are. Okay, now this is the right side. And everything seems to be working fine. I should increase the camera speed. I'll do that later. For now, I think most of the issues have been solved. For the wall slide, let me add the AI again. Okay. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.